Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to manage GTA 5 notification. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your GTA 5 notification. So, the first thing you need to do is when you're at GTA 5, open up your settings by clicking escape. After clicking on escape, you will go to settings right here next to stats. Click on settings. After clicking on settings, on the left side corner, you will see notifications. And click on notifications. After clicking on notification, here are the notifications that you can manage. You can manage phone alerts, star alert, crew updates, friend updates, Rockstar Game Online Service Store app, and tooltips. You can either off any of those. There you go. And you can change the message frequently. There you go. And those. And to apply it, just go back. Click back. There you go. Now to use it again, click enter. And if you want to turn it on, just turn it on. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. And to apply it, just escape. And a quick tip for you guys. Just if I were you, I would just turn this everything off. Because to be honest, it's not that useful anyways. Then click escape. There you go. Hope you guys like the video and hope you guys enjoy. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.